Micah's our new coach. You stand in the middle. You tell the guys what to do.
Tell them what to do.
You tell them what to do. Hey, if you're not happy with someone, you let them know.
55.
I'm with you, Suits. Hey, I'm across. I got ball. Go low, Brooke. Talk to me. Stay high, Con. That's your guy.
Buddy,
oh,
we're
yeah.
going to thrill it.
Let's go.
Buddy, give me the U-Walk. I need some.
Go ahead. What do you want to say? Yes. Let's go.
Yes, baby.
That's it.
If I don't get 6 followers after this, I'm fucking.
He's up.
Kinger's looking for the followers.
Get it.
I'm the face of the team. I took a picture.
It's true.
They did so. They're like, we need a face. I'm like,
That's him.
God damn right. You need a face.
I'm over. Yeah. Oh, nice move. Kid's got some jukes.
We're on offense. We need to move the ball a little bit more. And when you see a chance to go to goal, go to goal.
Oh!
Let's go. You bring it down. You call it out. 3, you call it. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Goon Squad! Pick coming. Yep. Run. Legs. Yeah.
These guys are looking to help you out.
I know. I respect it.
Another.
Probably a Casey Powell fan.
You are?
No, he is.
Probably. He's got his autograph in his room.
Keep coming.
I'm low. Suits pick.
Yep. Go.
Get high. Get over, Burke.
Good.
Match up here.
That was a good one. You two were in the corner, that poor bastard. I was like, oh, that just sucks.
Oh!
What a beast. Fucking right.
How about that shift, huh? Low to low. Good game, boys. Good game. Hell yeah, boys. Hell yeah, Ralphie. Yeah.
Hey, that might have been some emotion.
Hell yeah, brother. You too. Good game, brother. Game, boys. Good game, boys. Game. Yeah, you too. Good game, brother. Good game, brother. Hey, good game, brother. You too. Good game, boys. Yeah, good game. Game, brother. Good game, brother. Yeah, hell yeah. Good game. Good game, boys. Yeah. Good game, boys. Game. Good game, brother. Good game, man. Yeah. Thanks. Good game, brother. Thanks. What up, brother?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, man.
You're looking good.
Gong was flying around.
Hey.
How yeah, brother?
Hey.